Hello and welcome. Today I would love to teach you how to use ChatGPT. First thing I want to tell you is make sure you go on the official website that I can show you right here, and it's called openai.com if you want to just learn a little more about ChatGPT before you will start using it. You can download the ChatGPT on the desktop of your computer, or you can just try the website like I have it over here. You can also just read a little more and have the samples and everything about it. But let's go straight to the point and learn today how to use ChatGPT. So here we are on the chatgpt.com website, and I'm already signed in my account. You can also use the ChatGPT without your account, but then all your information won't be saved about what you're looking for. If you have an account, it's very convenient to then access all the information you were looking previously at and have the history of your search. So how are we going to use the ChatGPT? So here we are on the official page one more time, and then it kind of works the same way as Google, for example. So you're just gonna type your question, as it says over here, ask your question, and you can ask anything at all that you want. So for example, my question will be, I need some ideas what to give as a present to my coworker for his birthday. So let's just ask ChatGPT about it. What present should I give my coworker for his birthday? Don't mind my grammar spelling. Alright, and let's send this question now, pressing this little arrow. And here are some ideas that ChatGPT will give us. It works kind of the same way as if you have ever talked before to Siri, for example, on the iPhone, or Alexa from Amazon. They kind of respond the same way. That's how ChatGPT does it also. So here he just gave us some ideas. And then what can we do with that? We can also have a little thumbs up or thumbs down if we like this answer or we didn't. So he knows what did we like about the answer or what we didn't for the future answers. We can also copy it if we just want to pass it somewhere else. We can also ask him to read it for us out loud, or we can also change it a little bit if we want to. So for example, if I know that I definitely are not going to get personalized Mac or Tumblr, but I like everything else, I can just delete this one, or I can also add something if I really want to, but we're just going to keep it this way. And so here we are, and we can now save it. We can also copy it again, or we can save it in the chat the way just edit it. Here we go. So, and then the interesting thing is you can also access here the vocal mode, where you can ask just questions out loud. You can also have a web search when he will give you the sources, the actual websites where you can go and look for some information, or the reasoning part, where it will reason basically your response. You can also upload some files that you want from Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive, for example, the options they give me, or just from my computer. And then he will analyze some documents for you and give you whatever you asked for. Make sure though that you know and keep that in mind that there are multiple versions of ChatGPT, actually ChatGPT Plus and ChatGPT just normal one. So the normal one, the free one, just gives us access to some limited amount of questions. The complicated questions like uploading the file. So to upload multiple files, you will have to buy the ChatGPT Plus subscription. But for the regular questions like this one, the ChatGPT normal version is more than enough. And don't forget again that you can just access your history over here and get back to everything you were looking for before. So for example, when I was looking the last time again for the gift ideas for their coworkers earlier, I could see them over here. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope to see you again soon.